of Polanat, Komal Bhajwa, my dear friend, our host and consultant of this event, and Pratyusha, co-host for this event. Thank you all. But I would like to take the opportunity of thanking my mother as well. Mama, please come on stage. Please come on stage, Mama.
Let's hear
I wouldn't have been here.
Applause.
I wouldn't have been here without my mother's help, without my mother's support, continuous help she has always given me. She has always been my strength. Thank you so much, Mama. Please come on stage. Your 76 only, come soon. Walk faster. She is my mother. Thank you so much for this day. I wouldn't have been anything without her. Thank you so much, Ma.
All the best to all the artists and of course to my daughter.
You can speak here.
Thank you. Once again.
Thank you friends for supporting my daughter and her friend Aparna and I wish all the best to all the friends and the artists coming from far and near. Thank you.
Kondarao sir, thank you so much for organizing this event and giving us the opportunity and being the sponsor for the show. Everyone please clap for Kondarao ji.
Start the event with the lighting of the lamp, which is very, very auspicious. Please allow me to just, call and invite along with sir.
Countless reputations as a cultural relation and a famous businessman with the perseverance of self-work. Ramchandra garu, come on today, sir. ఆయన ఒకసారి కరతాళ ధ్వనులతో మనం అందరూ చప్పట్లు చరిచి వాళ్ళని అభినందిద్దాం. రామచంద్రరావు గారు ఎప్పుడైనా సరే మనం ఆనందంగా ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉత్సాహంగా ఉండాలంటే వారి మాటలు మనం విని తీరాలి. వారు రావడం కూడా నిజంగా అదృష్టం కింద భావిస్తున్నాం. వారిని వినమ్రంగా వేదికకు సాదరంగా ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాం. రామచంద్రరావు గారు. అనదర్ పర్సన్ జ్యోతి కపూర్, come on to dais, please.
Aishwarya.
has done very good painting on the sari about Cherial art and Kalankari art. At this age, she is 86 years young. You can see her work. It's so beautiful. You can see the sari. The model has worn. Model వేసుకున్నది చూడండి. ఆమె చెరియల్ ఆర్ట్ తర్వాత కలంకారీ ఆర్ట్తో చేశారు. ఆవిడ 86 years old. So she is a big inspiration to all of us. A very good and a very great artist she is.
Somehow Aparna made me to do these things. I am doing painting quite a long time, like ever since I was born. I don't say, for years onwards I started painting. I don't say I'm an artist, but I find very fascinated with the art of anything, any feature. I'm a nature, what to say, నిత్యం ఇప్పుడు అన్ని ఆటలు నేర్చుకున్నాను నేను. అందుకే నిత్య విద్యార్థిని అని చెప్పేవారు, నాకు టైటిల్ కూడా ఇచ్చారు. అంటే అన్నీ నాకు శిల్పాలు చేశాను, ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ చేశాను, ఆయిల్ పెయింటింగ్ చేశాను, అన్నీ చేశాను. ఎవర్ సిన్స్ ఐ నో హౌ టు పెయింట్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ అపర్ణ.
Thank you, Amma. Just give your blessings to all of us. You are a senior and a special artist here.
Thank you all. I bless Arpanna and Sona Kapoor. Come. They insisted me, I was not doing last 3 years, I'm not doing any painting as I'm not well. But they insisted that I should do it too. So whole month I sat and did it. That's it.
Give her lot of claps for her work she did for 1 month. She took time. she has lot of experience on art and craft. Since many years she has been a Fevicryl teacher and she has done very beautiful artwork on music. Omnia Saifa. Saifa. She is a Hampstead student and she has done the peacocks, our national bird, on her sari. Steve is number 6. Saifa number 6 for the judges. Yeah. Yeah, you tell the numbers. I tell about Seema Gaya. Seema Gaya. Seema Gaya. Seema. Seema. Please come. Yeah. Y. Rajesh.
Rajesh, Y. Rajesh.
Participant number 20. He works in an handloom, he does handloom works, and he has done this art on his kurta and dhoti. He is also a professional artist. Y. Saundarya.
Number 21, Y. Saundarya.
She is also a Hamstead student, and she has done artwork on Indian art and culture, the different dance forms.
देवांशी हो गया, समीर शाह हो गया, वो तो देवांशी.
Beena Arun, she is contestant number 24. She is from Cochin, and she has done on this tantra, the Kundalini. She is from Kerala, and she is a professional artist, and she's been doing many shows.
This is number 24.
This is number 24.
Beena Arun.
Yes, 24. Yeah. 24. Yeah. 22. 24. 24.
24. I'll call out the number.
This is a Kundalini art.
I tried to paint Bhairava Tantra, where during the Chakri Puja there is a position called Maithuna, where the Kundalini is in the highest peak level. I tried to depict that picture. Here Kundalini is represented by this golden snake.
Amma has already spoken about her. She is a musician, she is a dancer, and she does, I have seen her sarees before also. She does very well. She has done on nature. The subject is nature.
अभी आपका है ना, आपका 27 है.
She is 25. Okay. Now is Sita Amma's, Sita Shastri, Mrs. Sita Shastri's saree. As I told you, it's her art. She is not to be competed or judged, so just leave it blank. Yeah, she is a special artist. Rupashri, yeah. She is a Hamstead student, and the Hamstead people, they all do very well. And she has done on the village art, the village scenes on her saree. The number is Rupashri, 31.
31. Rupashri, 31.
has done paisley art on jute. She has attached jute to the sari, paisley art on sari with jute. So it's a special and a different variety of art. She is not in a competition because she is a senior artist. We have already given her special award for that. But you can give the marks. Bindu is from Bangalore. Number 39. Number 39. She has done on weavers art and the weaving of, she was inspired by weavers. Pranav.
Pranav is from Santa Maria. He is my student and he really loves painting and he really does very good sketching. You can see his dhoti, it's painted.
This is Pranav, number 40. And Pratyusha Satyaraju. She is from JNTU Fine Arts College. 41. Yeah. She has done on what art she has done? Yeah.
Bapu art. Safiya.
This is Bapu art. What?
This is Bapu Arts. I am a big fan of him actually. I made it like it is Rama Pattabhishekam and all. And here are some Radhani Krishna and Sita Rama.
Bapu art is actually known for its outlining, the way it is done. They use fine lines. Please come on the stage.
42. She has done on dhoti kurta for her son.
So this is the mother and the child walking.
इसका है और दूसरा देवांशी और समीक्षा. Devanshi and Samisha, please come. हाँ, Deepika. 1 minute. Deepika.
This is Safia and son, 40.
Yeah. On Dashavtaras, Madhubani art in Dashavtara art forms on her sari. On Pallu she has done Dashavtaras and the whole sari is painted in that style. There are peacocks on the sari, borders, sari border.
Number 43.
And she is a drawing and school teacher. She has done drawing course and a professional artist.
This is number 43. That what we saw was Deepika, 43. Number 44, this is Chitra Chandrika is the name of the artist and the one who is walking is Chitra Chandrika's brother. This is number 44. Chitra is not present here but she has sent her brother. Yes. 44. Do we have any other artists? Any other artists who are remaining? Representing Aparna Fine Arts. And this painting is Ajanta, as you can see. This is not for judging. This is not for judging, as they are the official presenters. Aparna, founder of Aparna Fine Arts. Now let's put your hands together for Sona Kapoor. Sona, please come. I'll just talk about this. Sona Kapoor, founder of Pollen Arts. This, what you would see painting, is the Pichwai art. And please pay attention to the archel. It has 24 karat gold. Can we see that? If you can see in the painting, the one glittering is 24 karat gold leaf. That is the work along with the Pichwai work. Very beautiful.
Even after washing, this will not go. It's a special kind made for the sari.
Let's hear a big round of applause. Pollen Arts founder Sona and Aparna Fine Arts, Aparna herself, who have put this show together, who have designed this show together. A big round of applause for them in collaboration with Kala Vahini. You are Kala Vahini. Please give a good pose with your archels and the painting so we can see. After the photographs. Okay, here's the mic.
See, this is Apsara. When Buddha was born, she came to earth. This one, the down part, and this is the princess and the maid with her. And this is the lotus and elephant design of Ajanta, which is very famous. And I love Ajanta very much. It is of 3rd century art in the caves. And now,
to be very frank, I did not have much time. So I thought of doing Pichwai because I love Pichwai. I love the colors, the way the lotuses are done. I love the texture and the anatomy of the animals and the flowers in Pichwai art. So that's why I thought I can carry on with this for now. Next time when I have a show, I'll work in detail, like Sitamma.
This is actually my old work. The new work my daughter Dr. Aishwarya wore. It was on the Ghumar dance, the village Ghumar dance of Rajasthan. She is not there. She has left for her flight. So now we'll call the guests to walk with us. The guests who have come. Prasanna Ma, please come. And Alka Manoj, please come on the stage. All the guests, please come.
As we all know, she has displayed that on her sari. Please have a look at it.
Any artists who want to speak about the artwork, they can speak. Just okay. First, later. Judges, please come on the stage. Yeah. Again is my another sari which I have done on Rajasthani bride, and I have shown the jewelry on the border. So this is Rajasthani bride on swing. So this is another art, the Indian traditional art. No, she is our guest. She is a fashion designer, a very, you can talk.
I'm an international fashion designer and I love arts, and it was a really very, very great day for me to attend this and see such a beautiful arts of our country. And I'm really very delighted. Thank you so much for inviting me.
She has some records also. She is a very good fashion designer.
Yeah. I'm a World Book record holder.
Tomorrow we'll be announcing the prizes, and there will be an art exhibition tomorrow at 4 p.m. It will be again inaugurated. So tomorrow from 4 onwards, we'll be doing the art exhibition here in Ravindra Bharati. We'll be displaying all the saris, and those who are interested can come and purchase also. And on 5th also, this exhibition will continue from morning 9 to 7 p.m. Okay, thank you. I thank all the audience who have come here and spent time with us.
A warm day today. Instead of good morning and good evening, good night, I said the day because it's going to carry out throughout when you go back home. A round of applause to all the women who have participated. Woo! Come on! 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Are we paying tax?
She's Geeta,
Lovely,
professor
lovely.
from, you are professor in?
I'm a professor from JNTU College of Fine Arts, and I don't think that matters at all.
Yeah, that is, your introduction matters because people don't know you.
I serve the institute as a director for admissions and international relations. I'm the EC member also to Government of Telangana, and today I feel proud that I'm the chairperson for Speak Make A, wherein I involve with all the Padma Shri and national artists to take the culture to every school and college. So I take the pride to be here. Love you, Lords Aparna and Kapoor.
We are very much honored you have come on our invite. Thank you, ma'am.
To give a feedback about the works, see, I did not judge anybody as a professional, as we spoke, or a non-professional, because sometimes a non-professional does a good work or a better work. So it was all amazing, beautiful, feast to the eye, and to be frank, a line stretched is drawing, a smile stretched is laughter, and an art form stretched is divine. So all of them have done a divine work. You're unique. Artists are God-made servants. To watch out his doings and put it either on paper, canvas, or wherever. So I take this as an opportunity on both our behalf. It was lovely for us to watch, and to judge was very difficult, to be frank. There are a lot of overlapping, and it was amazing, lovely audience. A round of applause for all the audience, because you are all art lovers. Thank you.
Jalandhar Garu. He is an art critic and art collector, and he is a software engineer, but he is doing painting since childhood. So that's his introduction.
I won't let you go because, the hosts always get an advantage to ask questions. Am I allowed, sir, to ask you one question? So we heard a lot of things about your art exhibitions and that you have a DNA. So it's a very interesting combination. So my question is, today what you saw, from the young to the old, what kind of revelations did you see in terms of art, which is the newness, and what you still see has been coming as a legacy, which is still so beautiful?
In my view, art is very vast. Since childhood, that is around 12 years old of my father took me to one particular place and taught how to pencil on paper. It's just because of my mischievous things in streets. It happened in those days, and he made me a very good artist. That too, it stick to my whole life. Even though my profession is quite different, totally, and I wander here and there in art galleries and artists like Aparna Madam and many people since 20-25 years. But the thing is, there is still hungry in view of art, and it would be till my end. That is the only thing I can tell. And stick to art, and that would be the stress relief oriented in my life. That is a software field, people you know very well.
Jalandhar Garu, art is not just on the paper. Art of living, art of talking, art of styling, art of presentation. So much. And here we could see many art forms. So we are great Indians, proud Indians to have so many tribal belts, so many forms of art. We by heart capitals of cities for the quiz, but I think we should know which dance, which music, which art belongs to which place.
And acquiring the adoption of the culture, tradition of India, of our India, Aparna Madam and Madam Sona Madam, they took that art to like culture oriented. India, evolution, culture. These three things it happened today, and it's a very, very good thing, pride moment for everybody. That's all.
Thank you.
This show actually we conducted mainly to connect art with the people. Generally the art is locked in the galleries, but we wanted to bring it on the stage like other performing arts, like dance and music. This is also an art to be shown to the people, the culture. Okay, thank you everyone.
This should be done on the bigger platform, and I promise you I'll take it among the ministers. This should go internationally. People should know our Indian arts.
Indian art and culture.
Yes, Indian art and culture.
Thank you Alkaji and all the guests who have come and supported us. Thank you very much. Judges, thank you very much.
Please stay on the stage. Now that we have the judges and we had the judging, can we please announce the winners or
No, tomorrow. Only tomorrow.
Okay, that's happening tomorrow. So thank you so much for your time and judging. It must be a tough job. Thank you.
1 minute.
Hi everybody, this is Shilpa. I really want to take few moments to congratulate Aparna ma'am and Sona ma'am. Sona ma'am, please come over here. From the day one, from the procedure which they have started, this is one of a kind, and the way they have put their efforts, they seem to be like, casually they are working, but they have big stress in their mind, the way they encouraged us and made us to do so many things at this time. It's like, I just can't thank them enough. Thank you Aparna ma'am for giving that opportunity, and thank you Sona ma'am.
And I thank all the participants also. They have all supported us very well.
She was ready to speak to us even in midnight. She encouraged us and she gave us all the inputs to do. There was no stress for us. All the stress they have taken, they both have taken. Thank you so much for this. This means a lot. It's a milestone for us also.
Without everyone's support, we couldn't have that.
Obviously, that push was there from your side.
She is my adopted mother. She is Prasanamma. She is a Reiki master. And she is a lecturer. She was a lecturer and now she is teaching in a school. She has a school and I don't know, she is a very spiritual, good person.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I want her to speak.
మనకి జీవితంలో శరీరానికి ఫుడ్ ఎంత అవసరమో మనసుకు ఆహ్లాదం కలిగించడానికి ఆర్ట్ ఆహారము అది ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం ఆహ్లాదంగా బ్రతకగలుగుతాం. జీవించడం అంటే కేవలం శారీరకంగా కాదు, మానసికంగా కూడా ఆహ్లాదంగా ఉండటం, అది ప్రతి ఆర్ట్లోనూ ఉంటుంది. ఈ ఆర్టిస్టు సాక్షాత్ సరస్వతి దేవి పుత్రిక అని నాకు అనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఎన్ని రకాలు చేసిందో, ఎంత టైం తీసుకొని, ఎంత ఏకాగ్రతగా, అదేలాగా ఏబిసిడీలు కూడా ఆర్ట్లో అందరికీ నేర్పించగలిగిన ఓపిక ఉంటుంది. చిన్న పిల్లలకు కూడా నేర్పిస్తుంది, పెద్దవాళ్ళకు కూడా నేర్పిస్తుంది. నిజంగానే సరస్వతీదేవి పుత్రిక. అందరూ ఈమె ఆర్ట్ని ఉపయోగించుకొని, ఆర్ట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్నవాళ్ళు, ఈ పెయింటింగ్లు ఇవి అందరూ అంత స్థాయికి ఎదక్కపోయినా వాళ్ళ ఆశలు నిర్వర్తించుకుంటారని నేను మనసారా నమ్ముతున్నాను. నాకు స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ గీయడం కూడా రాదు, కానీ అభినందించడము, ఆర్ట్ని చాలా ఇష్టంగా చూడడము అవన్నీ వచ్చు కాబట్టి ఈమెకి అభినందన సుమాలని అందిస్తున్నాను.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మా.
ఏమండి, తెలుగు రాకున్నా తెలుగులోనే చెప్తాను. ఇందాక అందరు అపర్ణని పొగిడాడు సరే, కానీ బాగా వినిపించింది ఒకటి ఏంటంటే అడాప్టెడ్ మదర్. దాట్ షోస్ వాట్ అ లవ్లీ సోల్ యు ఆర్. రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లాస్ ఫర్ దాట్. పిల్లలు లేకపోతే పిల్లల్ని పెంచుకోవడం కాదండోయ్, ఎవరైనా పక్కన అక్కన ముసలాళ్ళు ఉన్నా, చాతకాని వాళ్ళు ఉన్నా, సింగిల్ ఉన్నా పెంచుకోవడం చాలా గొప్ప మనసు ఉండాలి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Geeta ma'am has adopted us too. She is another mother to me. Even Sona also. Sona?
Busy posing. Thank you so much
Thank you,
to
everyone.
judges, and the guests all over here.
So now we'll do the closing.
First, let me say what I want to say.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so I'm very, very, very happy to really have you all here. And thanks for coming and keep supporting us. We are going to come up with another program, somewhat like this, but very, very different in the month of Feb or March. So please do support us and be with us. And bless us, keep coming to our occasion and keep blessing our occasions. Thank you.